Here we are at example 12 from our 2.4 number 1 set of notes. We're asked to write the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the y-axis that passes through this point 90. So if we just draw a rough sketch, we are looking for an equation of a line that is perpendicular to our y-axis. In other words, here's our y-axis. We should be seeing a line that's perpendicular to him, thus creating that 90 degrees. But it has to also pass through this point 90. So 90, we could say is right over here. Now again, this line has to be perpendicular with our y-axis, but also pass through that point. And we can in fact see that when our line is y is equal to 0. In other words, for our y value, we're not going up or down any. Our x, though, since we don't have an x inside this equation, x can literally be anything. And in fact, it does satisfy this equation where x can literally be anything, but our y value is 0. Now, believe it or not, this in fact does follow a type of standard form where our coefficient for y just so happens to be 1. It does have an x, but that coefficient for x just happens to be 0. 0 times anything is just 0, so pretty much this guy is gone. And as a result, y is equal to 0 would be our final equation that would actually satisfy both of these conditions. That's perpendicular to your y-axis and passes through this point 90. Again, though, that is example 12 from our 2.4 number 1 set of notes.